Alright guys, we're here today doing a quick gear review on the PETZL ROLLCLIP line of pulley carabiners. We have the PETZL ROLLCLIP A and we have the PETZL ROLLCLIP Z with us today to talk about. We're going to talk about similarities, the differences, what we use them for, and then what we have on our own personal kits and why. Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the similarities. Similarities, you can see in there real close, is that the sheaves are exactly the same size. They are high efficiency ball bearing. Okay, other similarities, rope diameter, 7 to 13 millimeter rope on both of these guys. And then the load ratings. Load ratings 20 kN across the major, 8 across the minor, and then 7 with gate opening. Exactly the exact same, okay? So, that said, let's talk about the differences. The big difference, obviously you don't have the gate, is color. Next is you're going to see the size, right? So the size of the A is a little bit bigger than the Z. The reason for that is to get those exact same load ratings because of where the gate opening is on these guys. This had to be a little bit beefier than the Z. Okay, makes sense? That said, the biggest difference of these is the gate opening. So the PETZL ROLLCLIP A opens towards the pulley, and the PETZL ROLLCLIP Z opens away from the pulley. Okay, so let's talk about the ROLLCLIP Z first, and we'll get into the A after that. Okay, so the Z is meant to facilitate installation on anchors and devices. So it's really meant to be taking this guy, I take the rope, go into my device, go into my anchor, and then I lock it off and I'm done. I'm not taking it in and out. It's not at the anchor already, and then I'm not putting the rope in there like the A is meant to be, okay? So that's really what this guy's meant for. That said, I can still use it on my rad method if I want to. It fits into the hole up top. You can squeeze the rope in there, so you can still use it on that rad method for ascending, okay? But it's not really what it's meant for. The last thing we'll talk about on the Z is the gates. So it comes in two different variations. It comes in a screw lock version, which is this guy. Then it also comes in a triac lock. The triac lock, exactly the same as this one right here, okay? So, that said, done with the Z, let's talk about the A. The A comes in two different variations as well for the gate. It comes in non-locking, and then it comes in the triac lock, okay? The triac lock guy it's nice for some things, but the only biggest issue with it is it does not fit through your hole up there, so you can't use it on that top hole for ascending. Okay. What it is slick for though is stuff like this. Okay. So something like this set up using the captive. It's a nice, easy, quick setup for you guys for your haul systems. You can take it. Again, the gate where the gate opening is towards the pulley. I can put the rope in there nice and easy. Every time, take it in nice and easy, and have a nice, quick, clean setup for your hauling systems that most guys can't mess up. Okay. But the one that we use on our kits for Sprat is the ROLLCLIP A non-locker. And the reasoning B is it's really meant for this. It does a great job of it. Pop it in, nice and easy. And it's kind of like a quick draw basically for your rock climbers out there. Clip it in, boom, I'm done, I'm good to go. Ascend up. If I want to come out of it, again, really nice and easy to come in and out. Pop this thing off. Probably as fast as you're going to get for coming in and out of it, wasting less energy, so it's great for that. One of the big questions that comes up to us is, can I do this with a non-locker? And yes, you can, right? Because my progress is still down here in my device. So if this fails for some unknown reason, my progress is being captured at my device. So in a haul system, this guy is completely fine, okay, having that non-locker. Now, if I was going to do something like have a change of direction or a deviation or something of some sort needs some load rating on it, then of course I'm going to take a locking device and I'm going to lock it off to secure it, okay? But otherwise, it doesn't need to have it. Alright, so that's just a quick gear review on the PETZL ROLLCLIP A and Z, different variations of it, what we use them for. Any other questions that come up, feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook. Check out Elevate Safety Gear Shop as well for more information and for purchasing.